Hey YouTube. Let's do this new Beabadoobee song. The first part of the song is really different from the second part of this song. The first part of the song is in the key of F. So F is our 1 chord, C is our 5 chord. I'll do it. I'll show you afterwards some alternative ways to play it. It goes to B flat to F. 3 chords. Sounds kind of like a Jewel to me, a Jewel song, or maybe at least a Loeb song, or also a bunch of country songs, I guess. So that's the first part, and I think it goes through that like maybe 6 times, and then after that first part we go C, D minor, F, and then that gets us into the second part of the song. The second part of the song is C, F, A minor, F, and then it starts over. C, just another love song. Yeah, so that's the whole song, all those parts. And then let's talk about different ways we could play it. At the first section, you could go C, like an open C. Now, if you have trouble with the bar chord, you can just take your A shape and move it to the 3rd fret, and then just play D, G, B, and that's your B minor. Or not B minor, B flat. So. And then for F, you can play it like this, or you could play it like this. Just limit your strumming up and down, so you're just kind of hitting those notes. You're not hitting like the lowest notes, that you're not fretting. D minor is an open chord. That's one definitely, if you don't know it, you should definitely learn that one. And yeah, it's a very common progression. Be fear ounce of pain. All right, you can sing a lot of songs over that. Thanks, bye-bye.